If you were given $5 million, what would you do with it? Hey everyone, welcome back to the Cruise with Esther. So today we are diving into a huge immigration update. President Trump has just announced a $5 million gold card visa for wealthy immigrants. So what does this mean for the United States? How does it work, or how will it work? And should we be concerned? So let's break it down. Alright, so President Trump is proposing a brand new pathway to United States residency called the gold card. Think of it like a VIP green card, except instead of waiting years for approval, you just pay $5 million upfront. So how is the gold card different from a green card? Green cards, allow immigrants to live and work permanently in the United States, and most green cards require family sponsorship, employment, or refugee status, which can take years to get approved. And on the other hand, the gold card, is instant access for the rich if you can afford the price tag. Trump says that it will provide green card privileges plus more. So what does that mean? It means you can work for any employer, you can travel freely in and out of the United States, and the big prize everybody looks out for is a pathway to citizenship. Now in the US we already have something kind of similar, which is the EB-5 investor visa, but Trump calls that program nonsense and also wants to replace it entirely with the gold card. So what are the key differences between EB-5 and a gold card? The EB-5 visa requires an investment of $800,000 to $1 million and prove that it creates at least 10 United States jobs or 10 jobs in the US. And the gold card, you just pay $5 million and you are good to go. Like, no job requirement is involved in the process. Besides, having a spare $5 million lying around, applicants also need to go through background checks and be considered world-class global citizens. Though for now, the exact criteria are unclear. And Trump also, mentioned that Russian rulers or rich business leaders with a great deal of political influence might qualify for the gold card. So now you are wondering, when will these gold cards be available? Commerce Secretary Howard Lutnick says gold cards could roll out in just 2 weeks. That's very, very, soon. And if this happens, it would be one of the biggest immigration changes in decades. And Trump says that this could raise $5 trillion if they sell 1 million gold cards, and that's almost double of what the entire US government spends annually on social security. But realistically, only about 8,000 people apply for EB-5 visas each year. So the big question is, does Congress need to approve these gold cards? Surprisingly, President Trump says no. He claims that it's already legally approved. But, immigration policies can get challenged in court, so this could face legal battles. So, my viewers, what do you all think? Is this a smart financial move for the United States, or is it just a VIP pass for the rich while other immigrants struggle? Please let me know in the comment section below, where we can interact. And also let me know, if you were given $5 million, would you use it for a gold card? Well, until next time, guys, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and turn on notifications for more updates on US immigration. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.